Right engineer, repair that. Hit your flashing button. Better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out. Push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. What? Yippee! Train. Yes! Yes! Keep shooting!
Yes!
They've locked onto us! Take evasive action!
Oh, yes! Oh my god! Keep shooting!
Ah, there it is! After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon! Left pilot, brakes! My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
Where is it? To your right.
Pilots, into the center. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. Cargo's ready. Keep shooting. Oh my God! Don't you had it? Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here.
What are you doing?
A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost!
What? Stop pressing.
We did not die! Let's get out of here! Yes, Joy will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Ooh, that is rough. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing, but keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Rathdar loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All available techs, we have a brilliant trigger that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically strapped